all because it's a beauty blender. The blue-eyed girl also can't figure out what's wrong with the liquid glue pen. It looks more like foundation. Remove the cap with a dispenser from a used liquid gel pen. Pour out the glue remains and clean out the container. Fill the tube with BB cream. It is impossible to glue paper with a beauty blender, and foundation doesn't have any gluing properties. It looks like we've blown Miss Smith's cover, and now we know where she hides her makeup. The teacher finishes chatting and realizes that she has gotten busted, but she skillfully pretends that she has no clue about the makeup. And when the girls go out for a break, she takes all the evidence away from their desk at once. The blue-eyed girl takes out a marker and perfumes herself. How is it possible? Cover a perfume pen vial with acrylic paint. Print a marker label and attach it on top. Once you are perfumed, hide the marker perfume into the pencil cup quickly. However, Miss Smith has smelled the fragrance. The spellbound teacher follows the scent and starts looking for the source. She takes away the cup with the school supplies. She goes through the stuff and finds what she's been looking for, the perfume marker. She perfumes herself all over from tip to toe. The PE teacher will check out her scented attack for sure. The blue-eyed girl is a real rebel. She applies red lipstick right in front of the teacher. But her courage lasts as long as Miss Smith is distracted, and now she needs to remove it quickly. My glue will help her with it. Pour micellar water into a clean bottle of used stationery glue. The blue-eyed girl doesn't like the idea of applying glue to her lips. Does my friend actually want to glue my mouth? No, there is makeup remover in this bottle. I apply it to a cotton pad and wipe off the lipstick. That's it, the revolt is over. Curly Sue brings a textbook into class once in a blue moon. Where does this eagerness to study come from? It's easy. A book is just a makeup stash. Take bookboard, which is 9 inches wide, and mark 5 inches, 1 inch, and 5 inches again on its longer sides. Score the lines. Bend the board, shaping it like a book cover. Wrap it with color paper. Snip off the corners. Bend the cover so that the book could close. Attach foam rubber sheet to the inside. Cut out 2 widening strips from white felt. Hot glue to cover the sides. Attach 2 pieces of felt to a white zipper. Fasten the detail to the cover. Print out a book title and attach it. My friend takes out all of her favorite beauty products out of the book. This textbook doesn't keep knowledge, it keeps makeup. Miss Smith asks us to open the books. But when she discovers what the book actually is, she takes the makeup stash away for herself. The blue-eyed girl dips her brush into my paint during the art class again. What's the matter? You have your own paint. All clear. Her paint set is not for paper. It's for eye makeup. Crush broken eyeshadow. Add a mixture of water and rubbing alcohol. Mix it and put it into clean sections of a paint palette. Press them and blot them with a napkin to remove the excess moisture. The bright eyeshadow palette looks exactly like a paint set, and there is a great applicator to match it. Take an applicator and a tip of a makeup brush. Cut off the ends of a broken art brush handle and hot glue the tips of the makeup brush to it. Once we decided to do eye makeup, here comes our loyal beauty guard. However, Miss Smith makes a mistake and takes away a real watercolor palette instead of the eyeshadow one. I wonder how she will do her eye makeup with it. Miss Smith is just ready to apply eyeshadow. What's this? It's just paint. These students make me have makeup hallucinations. Did you like our school supplies ideas? Then write in your comments how you are going to sneak your makeup into class. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss the new, most incredible videos on the Troom Troom channel.